It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Angel. And as you can see, for today's video, gagawa ako ng Christmas cookies. I know it's a little bit too late for this, but due to some circumstances, so ngayon ko lang naisipan to share with you on how I make my own Christmas cookies. So from the baking and from the decoration, I will show it all to you guys. So if you're ready, I'm ready. So let's get started. I'm back guys. So, ayun na nga, gagawa ako ng Christmas cookies for today's video. So, make sure na lahat ng mga gagamitin natin is naka-measured na siya. Because it's really important pag gumagawa kayo ng any cakes or cookies or pastries. So, kailangan talaga siya naka-measure. And for the first ingredient, so I'll be showing it to you. First off, I do have here 3 cups of flour. And I also have my 2 cups of sugar. And then don't forget the butter. So make sure that it's in room temperature. And we have 4 eggs, but I'll be using just I think 2 or 3 eggs kasi according to the instruction kasi need siya na 5 flowers, but I think it's parang sobrang dami na niya kung gagawa or gagawin kong 5 cups of flour yung sa cookies ko. So, ayun. And then, what else? I do have here my baking powder. So, it's a 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I have my kosher salt. So, I'm using this kosher salt. And I also have here cream of tartar for the royal icing later on for the decoration. I have the vanilla for the flavoring. I also have here almond extract, so it's really important. And then for the decoration, I do have here food coloring. So I do have green, red, and I also have blue. And also for my icing tips, so I'll be using this one here. And for my decorations, I do have here some sprinkles. So I have like snowflakes, we have some heart shapes, we have some sprinkles, red and white, and I do have nips. And of course, let's not forget the powdered sugar. So I'm using the Pio Traco Premium Confectioner Sugar for that royal icing. And also, of course, to shape our cookies, we have this. I just bought this decoration here. Like, it's a Christmas tree. I have a snowflakes. I just want it just round. And that's it. So, let's start. First is we'll have to combine butter and sugar. Make sure na mag-melt siya. So, yeah, butter and sugar. There's my spatula. Alright. So, again guys, room temp lang siya ha. Huwag masyadong i-melt kasi papangit yung cookies nyo pag gano'n. And, ayan. There's my sugar. So, I'll have to use 2 cups of sugar. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. And then, of course, mixer. I'm using my mixer or my hand mixer to mix the sugar and butter. So you have to combine. Make sure na nahalo mo talaga sila ng mabuti. So since we only have a day before for the end of year 2019. So guys, ready na ba kayo salubungin ang 2020? And tell me or share with me kung ano mga New Year's resolution nyo. I know na naging ano na natin siya, parang nakasanayan natin na meron sa mga New Year's resolutions. Like, for today's year, I'm going like magda-diet na. Well, in fact, hindi naman kasi syempre, food is life, you know. Kalabasan niya, guys. So, for the egg and the butter, so dapat nyo i-incorporate siya lahat. And then, you have to use the egg. So, one at a time. We'll have our flour. So I'll have here 3 cups of flour. And then, so I mentioned to you na na kailangan kong gawin ko lang na 3 cups, but I decided to make it 4 cups. So I'll add 1 more cup. So we'll just have to put our flour in the butter and sugar mixture, and then we'll have to add our 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We'll have our just 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I-mix lang natin ulit using the hand mixer. And then, let's just use again our spatula para i-incorporate siya. Just to mix it all. Ayos. And then, don't forget, so I'm just going to use just 2 teaspoons of vanilla. pwede siyang ilagay doon as overnight para maging maganda yung pag nag-shape kayo ng ng cookies, maganda yung palabasan niyo pag nagbi-bake. Right. Almost done. So I'll just have to use my hand here. So dapat ganito siya, guys. And then, kukuha lang ako ng cling wrap. Kasi dito ko ilalagay. Kasi kailangan siyang ibalot sa cling wrap. Then, ilagay nyo siya sa refrigerator for an hour or 2 bago ninyo i-shape at i-bake. So, here it is. So, lalagay na natin to sa wrap for about an hour or 2, preferably overnight. That would be much better. So, I'll get back to you guys pag for in time of decorations and for the bake.
2 hours later.
Done na ako sa pagbe-bake ng cookies ko. So, it's time for decoration. So, here is the finished product. And for today's decoration, so I do have a special guest. Alright, and I would like to introduce you to everyone. I would like to introduce you my cousin. Her name is Ritel. Hi, Ritel.
Hi.
Or you can call her Chai Chai. Alright, so gumawa na kami kanina for the icing, yung sa decoration natin sa cookies. I have blue, I have here green, and then there's like pink. It's like neon pink something. Alright, so here are my cookies. So magde-decorate na kami, okay? Alright, so start na tayo sa pagde-decorate ng cookies natin. So pili ka dito kung saan yung gusto mong i-decorate. So I have this Christmas tree. So ito siya. So kukuha lang ako ng green. So this one. So, there you go. Spread lang natin ng konti. Sige, ikaw anong color ng ano lalaki mo?
Ito ko lalagay.
Huwag na. Alright, so there you go guys. So tapos na kami mag-decorate ng cookies namin. And I have here. Thank you so much again for watching. So we'll have to finish everything here. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye!